Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to actually qualify for Mode Airdrop. And before we get into it, let's make a little bit of introduction of Mode. So Mode is a L2 Ethereum based protocol and is doing quite well actually. In the last 2 weeks, that for example gained like 50% of their followers on Twitter. They're right now sitting at 150,000. And what is more, they got obviously grant from Optimism, which is obviously one of the biggest protocols for $6 million. And also, Mode is doing quite well in terms of partnerships. Layer 3, um, for example, Finance Orbiter, like Orbiter Finance, all the other like big names, big protocols that you have probably heard about, that probably have partnership with Mode, or they're going to start really soon. So that's more or less introduction of this protocol. And now let's go to the steps of how to qualify for an airdrop. All right, before we actually get into airdrop, I want to tell you like important information. So this airdrop campaign was launched actually 2 weeks ago, and it's doing quite well. But one thing that is really important is you need to bridge through the official bridge to get more points. And this is always the case. So in general, in airdrops, just remember if you have funds to actually bridge with an official bridge, always do that because all the companies always give you more points if you do that. Now, to qualify for this airdrop, what you need to do is you need to go to the airdrop section of the website. Then you need to put the invite code. You can find the invite code in the description below. And you need to connect to Twitter. This is just this like pretty much a soft simple check. And what you do is you just click the connect wallet. It's going to give you like your score, your overall score, and that is based on the amount of NFTs you own or on-chain activities, etc. And at the end, what you do is when you bridge your account, when you bridge your amount, that's when you officially join the airdrop. So whenever you click bridge and you join the airdrop, that's when you start it. All right. Okay. So basically, after you're bridged, you're gonna see the screen. As you can tell, it just has your points, your how many points you have accumulated, your referral code, which you can use later to refer to your friends or your family members or other people, and also amount you have bridged. Also, we're gonna see your the ecosystem of Mode, and you can earn like 2x points if you use them. So there are actually six of them. So now we're gonna go through one or two of them. It's gonna make some steps, and so you can see how you can earn some points. All right. So now let's actually start with actual tasks. So make some transactions to get some points. So we're gonna start off with a Mode name service. So we're just gonna get like basically our domain name. What I recommend is you should always use like really long names. So for example, instead of saying Kai, and first of all it is somebody already has it, so that means you're gonna pay more. But at the same time, if it was free, the shorter the letter, so less characters you have, the more you pay. So try to pick something like long, like Nick Kai 1 2 3 whatever dot mode. And yeah, basically only costs $5 like this. And you just click register and make sure you get transaction right, make sure it is successful. And yeah, that's it for this one. I already have my domain, so I don't want to get it again. But yeah, now we're going to go to the next one, which is Ionic. That is a next ecosystem app. So Ionic is also quite good. Actually, this is my favorite ecosystem app because me and the owner, I don't know how, but on Twitter, I actually used to tweet a lot and put like memes under mode and stuff, and also like then I found out Ionic, and then since then the owner has been interact with me and follow me and stuff. So yeah, it's kind of fun. So what you do is it's just normal like landing and supplying service. You just wrap some ETH, supply some wrapped ETH or against it, or you can do the same with USDT and borrow against it, and just leave the money in. Don't touch it. Um, yeah, that's it for these two DeFi apps. Uh, Also, it's really important to say that more apps you interact with, the better. So, but so far, for now, I'm just going to show this to you. And for the rest of it, yeah, you can just go through the Mode app website and just figure it out and choose any other protocols you want to use. All right, we just went through the domain name creation. We just do the same things with other protocols. So just interact, just make transaction. I don't want to go through it because I trust you know how to do it already. If you're already watching this kind of videos. So what you do is you just interact with as many protocols as possible, and don't overspend, obviously. Also, you can always adjust the gas fee. So don't forget to adjust the gas fee with a priority level. Usually, low one actually works really well. So that's the way to save money. However, keep in mind that actually mode gives you points based on how much transaction fee you pay. So also actually more you pay, it's not actually necessarily bad. You just spend more money and you get more points at the end. So this is actually a bonus part of the video. So lots of influencers actually live this out, but it's really important to also consider that in mode you get rewarded for the points that you contribute socially. So what do you mean by this? So in Discord, they have some roles. For example, there is a certified meme role. So basically, you can create memes, and based on memes, if it's funny or not, or if the community likes it, you get some rewards on it. Also, we have another system called a co-op. So what happens is you just pretty much, if you interact a lot with people, if you're helpful in the chat and you are there long enough, you're gonna get to level 10 of the Discord level, and that grants you an actual title. And those stuff are actually connected with more rewards. Well, mode is not really transparent with it. It's obviously it has to be more like black box based points system. But we can definitely speculate that that's definitely going to be one of the criteria because it's really common for protocols to do that. What else is important is you need to actually follow their Twitter. For example, they recently just launched interact quests, and there is after you complete the 6 quests, so optimize the domain, make some swaps on Can Exchange, explore center mode, Ionic, then you can actually mint an NFT which pretty much streams rewards. So like make sure you make this quest as well. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Also, don't forget to actually follow the quests of layer 3. So make sure you do all the quests here. And yeah, as I said, please follow the Twitter. Be careful of the scammers. There are lots of scammers here. Obviously, with all the protocols, just be careful with the comments. Don't click on some random links. And yeah, you can just kick off with Airdrop already. You can use the referral code that I'm going to put in down below. Make sure you also do some referrals to other people. So, for example, like I'm doing, like I got referred by my friend, for example. So make sure your friend doesn't, for example, start his program, his Airdrop, using some random code. Just make sure they use your code, for example. And also, please be really attentive with Twitter and also be active on Discord because it's going to pay off. Trust me, it's quite a hard work actually. You get to be active and stuff, but whenever you're doing nothing, like you're in the car or something, you can just contribute to the chat, help some people out, and then basically you get some points on based on that. So yeah, that's it for now. And if you have any questions, you can always ask me in the comments below. And yeah, I wish you good luck with this airdrop and keep grinding. You know, it's a long game, it's not a short game, so you got to get invested for a long period of time. So, yeah, see you guys, and I'll see you in the next video.